everyone, my name is Shaurya. Today I am telling about parts of plants. There are different parts of plants like roots, stems, fruits, flowers and leaves. We can see various types of plants in our surroundings. Most of the plants are green in color. They are different shapes and sizes. Plants are very useful for us. They also make air pure. Some plants are used for making medicines and perfumes. Plants gives us pulses, goods, perfumes, furniture, fruits, rubbers, cotton, papers, spices, medicines. We eat the fruits of some plants like orange, mango and apple. We eat the flowers of some plants like cauliflower and broccoli. We eat stems of some plants like ginger and sugarcane. We eat the roots of some plants like carrot, beetroot and berries. We eat leaves of some plants like coriander and spinach. We eat the seeds of some plants like wheat and rice. Thank you.